So the tyre has obviously been undone, as you could see from the previous video, and this is what's been pulled out. When I said 5-6 mil, that's an understatement. That's more like 10 mil, maybe even more, 15 millimeters thick, that is, I would say. And that, you know, that's quite a weight to be hanging in the bottom of a tyre, spinning round, causing that imbalance. Yeah, so stored wheel sets, get them checked, have a look inside them, spin your wheels, see what's going on, open them up, clean them out, get this horrible crap out of them. Ciao, ciao.